Question 9. A closed cylinder has its radius equal to its height. Its total surface area is 154 square centimetres, and we're told to use pi as 3.142. We need the diameter to 2 decimal places. Let's picture the cylinder. It has 2 circular ends, a top and a bottom, and a curved surface wrapping around the side. The radius r goes across the circular top, and the height h is the distance up the side. The special thing here is that the radius equals the height. The total surface area of a closed cylinder is 2 pi r squared. That's the 2 circular ends, plus 2 pi rh, the curved surface. Since the radius equals the height, we replace h with r. Then 2 pi rh becomes 2 pi r squared, and adding it to the first term gives 4 pi r squared. So 4 pi r squared equals 154. To find r squared, we divide both sides by 4 pi. 4 times 3.142 is about 12.57, and 154 divided by that is 12.253. Taking the square root, r is 3.5 centimetres. But the question asks for the diameter, not the radius. The diameter is just twice the radius, so 2 times 3.5 is 7.00 centimetres. Well done. That's question 9 complete.